YouTube just sent my June paycheck, and honestly I didn't expect what I saw. As a small creator running a YouTube growth channel, I want to show you the exact breakdown. That is the numbers, the countries watching me, and exactly how much I earned. So if you are a creator from US, UK, Nigeria, Ghana, or anywhere, and you've ever wondered how much does YouTube really pay creators in 2025, then this video is for you. This is not to brag, but to motivate and show you what's possible when you keep showing up here on YouTube, and to also let you know that every paycheck you get here can never be the same. There are some months you earn higher, and there are some months you also earn lower. Well, I'm so surprised that I was able to make these amounts. Yeah, so without much being said, let's go straight into my YouTube studio as I take you through all the analytics. Okay, so this is my YouTube studio. First of all, let's head over to the analytics of my channel. Yeah, so let's head over to the revenue aspect. So from the revenue aspect here, let's head over to, you can see it's showing dates as of last 28 days, but no, let's head over to the month of May. Yes, because May paycheck, you're going to expect it in June. Yeah, June paycheck, I'm going to actually expect it for July. That is how YouTube pays. Yeah, so let's just click on May, and from the May here. Now first of all, before we check how much I actually earned, let's quickly go down to the performance and what actually made me earn this amount, the supers and gifts if there is any. That is, let's quickly run through every single analysis. So first thing here, these are the content. Yeah, that is the content that actually earned me more. You can see that my most viral video is actually taking a lead. Yeah, my most viral video actually earned me $110 for the month of May, which is beautiful, followed by this particular video and the rest of them. Now let's quickly go over to the traffic source. Yeah, all these information that I'm giving you, they are very important, as they're going to help you once you are monetized here on YouTube. So just try your best to pay attention. Yeah, from the traffic source, you all can see that most of my revenue, video views, they were all coming from browse features and suggested video. That is why I keep telling you to learn how to optimize your video. Optimizing your video is very important as a creator here on YouTube. Okay, now let's head over straight to the geography, because I don't want this video to be too long. So for the geography aspect, you can see that Nigeria is actually my most viewed country. Yeah, and from Nigeria you can see that I have 3,089 watch hours. Then from United States I have 808 watch hours. Nigeria is my most watched audience, but had it been I had USA as my most watched audience, this revenue would have been higher, but we're still getting there. Okay, now let's quickly go over to the cities. There is not much information for these cities, so let's just go straight to the viewer age. Now for the cities, you can see Lagos, Nigeria. You can see that almost all the country in Nigeria, they actually first before you get to every other country like New York, NY, USA and the rest. So for the viewer age watching me, 13 to 17 years, wow, which is 0.6% view. You can see that I think the highest viewer age watching me is 25 to 34 years, which is also very beautiful. Now this is the viewer gender. You can see it's very beautiful. So let's quickly head over to the main deal of the day, which is the revenue. So right now I'm going to be taking you through to my other YouTube studio to be able to explain things better, because most of the time I don't really understand this desktop. So now let's head over quickly to my YouTube studio so that I can be able to show you guys what I actually earned. So this is my YouTube studio. Now let's quickly go over to this end side, and as you can see from the screen, you are a YouTube partner and your payment was sent. So before you all will see how much was actually sent to me, let's quickly view payment activity to know how much I actually earned and how much was deducted. Now you can see from the screen here what you've been paid June 21st 2025. I think they sent this money yesterday because today is June, okay, day before yesterday, because today is June 23rd. Yeah, so let's click on it, and from the screen here you can see that I actually earned $436.11. Like, I didn't even believe that I was going to make this amount, because for the month of May was the month that I actually relocated, and I wasn't even really consistent. Like, there are some days, like 5-6 days, that I didn't post anything on my channel, which is unusual. Yeah, and my views didn't really do well. So now let's head over to the taxes. For the tax, you can see that 60 minus $67.71 was deducted for the taxes. This is actually fair compared to some of the tax deduction. Yeah, and for the total I have $368.39. So this was what YouTube sent to me 2 days ago. Yeah, so this is really beautiful, and just like as I said earlier on, what you are going to be expecting, that is every paycheck you get on your channel, can never be the same. Can never be the same, because there was a month that I earned very high, close to almost $900, and there are some months that I earned $500. There are some months I earned $600. So I think I'll be making a video on that separately. If you want to really know, okay, Princess, how much has YouTube paid you so far? Like, how much have you earned, or how much do you earn every month? You can as well drop it in the comment section. So this was the email I got just yesterday from YouTube, that my payment has been sent, but it hasn't really reflected to my Nigerian bank account. I think it takes up to 3, sometimes 2 days. So hopefully, even as we're shooting this video, it hasn't reflected yet, but it should be reflecting this evening or tomorrow morning. Yeah, so to those of you outside there who have always wondered, does YouTube actually pay, or how much do creators in Nigeria actually earn? Yeah, as you can see, it is real. You don't need to keep asking yourself that question, is YouTube worth it? YouTube is worth it. Like, when I checking this in naira, let's quickly check how much this is in naira, so that you can be able to know if it's actually worth it or not. Yeah, so if you don't know, I'm a Nigerian and my currency is in naira, so I will be needing to go to the bank and convert the dollars to naira in order for me to spend it, because we don't spend dollar in Nigeria. Yeah, so 368 multiplied by, as of when filming this video, dollar is currently 1560, so multiply by 1560, then this is what we have: 574,080 naira. Like, this is a whole lot. This is a whole lot. Like, this is beautiful. Yeah, imagine just making videos online and this is coming to my account. I will still say it today, I will still say it tomorrow, and I will still say it next tomorrow. When I was working, like when I was doing my personal business, my profit is not up to this. It's not up to this. Like, my profit is not up to this. And from just making video online from the comfort of my home with this mic and my phone, I am making this is really beautiful. And this is to encourage you out there that YouTube is worth it. It's worth all the stress. Imagine, because recently this happened to be my lowest paycheck. Yeah, I was thinking that the previous one I talked about, which is this video here, you can as well go ahead to check out this video to know how much I was being paid for the month of May. You're going to see it, and that is April paycheck. Yeah, so imagine this particular amount is my least amount that I've earned for the past 6 months of being consistent here, of showing up. Like, this is amazing. And I must say, one of the things that actually helped this my revenue to be this high, yeah, because for me, oh, it's actually high. Yeah, one of the things that helped me, number one, is my kind of niche. Yeah, your niche matter a lot. Yes, somebody in an entertainment niche might actually earn more than me. Yeah, it all depends. One is the view, two the niche, the CPM and RPM. So there are some niche that the CPM and RPM is very very low. Now if you're wondering what is CPM and what is RPM, CPM is what advertisers pay, then RPM is what YouTube pay you per 1,000 views. Yes, it's just like advertisers say, okay, this product is 50,000 naira. Yeah, or let's just say this product is $50, and YouTube says, okay, if she's able to sell it and make profit, I'm going to be paying her $20. So that $20, that 20,000 naira is your RPM, and that $50 is the CPM. So this is how it is. So there are some niche that their CPM is actually very very low, and there are some niche that their CPM is very very high. Niche like you see health, you see all this education niche, money making niche, their CPM is very very high. And also tutorial is also high. But for me, most of the time what really matters is the location of your audience. That is why it's actually very very good to target audience like the USA, UK, Australia, Canada. You are going to make good money. Had it been my main core audience were from the USA, like all my audience are from the USA, I should be earning more than this by far. Yeah, but I still have them as audience. That is why I was able to make this. So if you're out there, you're about to start your YouTube channel, try your best to make this audience watch you. It's actually going to really really help you. It's going to really really help your revenue, and you're going to earn higher. Yeah, but if maybe you've been posting and you don't have them as audience yet, you don't need to give up. You don't need to, just keep doing your thing, okay? And try to post content that are related to their niche. Definitely they are going to watch you. Initially this my channel audience used to be mainly Nigeria, but it was after I had a very viral video, which is this particular video, that was when I got a lot of audience from the UK and from the USA. This is to tell you that making a video in their niche really really help, because this particular video, from the website I checked before making this video, they were really really searching for it, and that was how I was able to have them as audience. Having them as audience is very very good, because your money is going to be coming in large. So guys, if you've watched to this extent and you've not yet liked this video, please do well to like, drop me your comments, and lastly do not forget to share this video so that it can get to a lot of content creators out there. And as usual, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.